Welcome back, guys. Happy Friday, Hair Day Friday, and let's get to it. So today I'm going to take a break from reviewing products because I wanted to show you guys what is in my hair toolbox. And I'm pretty sure I've said that in some of my videos that I'm going to be like definitely putting this product in my hair toolbox. So I wanted to show you guys what are my top favorite hair tools that I use and what I suggest if you are looking for new products to use, or if you are looking for some things to put in your toolbox as well. So let's get started. Use is a bonnet or some type of hair scarf that you use to sleep in. This is probably one of the things that I suggest using because it helps to keep the moisture in your hair when you're sleeping, and also help for your hair not to tangle up and to help breakage is what I feel it does for me. I use this bonnet, or I use another hair scarf that I had that I rotate between sleeping at night. So I definitely suggest a bonnet or some type of like hair scarf is like key to have in your toolbox. Is a wide tooth comb. This comb I use for detangling in my shower. So as you see the hook here, I just have it hanging in my shower most of the time. I love it. This is like my favorite tool to use when it comes to detangling my hair, or just the combing in general. I don't use small tooth combs because they have a tendency obviously to pull out my hair, because my hair is very thick and very kinky and very in its all natural form. So yes, wide tooth comb would probably be another tool that I would use. Is a spray bottle. Now, my hair is low porosity, so with my hair, I have to literally wet my hair before I can do anything with my hair. So a spray bottle is like very key for me, of all the key things in my toolbox. So I normally would fill this up with warm water, spray my hair down, spray it down, and then manipulate my hair as either braiding it, putting up in a poof. I have to wet my hair because my hair is just very hard to deal with when it's dry, and for me, I just can't do it. So I use a spray bottle, and this is like my go-to with doing anything. I'll either put water in this or oils or conditioner just to give my hair that extra moisturizing when I am wetting my hair. So very, very key for me. I swear by deep conditioners just because I just have a hard time retaining moisture into my hair. So these deep conditioners are definitely a go-to for me. And these are wash out. So I am currently trying leave-in conditioners just to see how they work for my hair. So I'm still testing those out. But so far, I like deep conditioners because I feel like my hair is well moisturized and it retains the moisture very well. I don't ever have to like re-oil my hair or put moisture into my hair very, very often, unless I'm using my spray bottle to like mess around in my hair and style my hair. So definitely deep conditioners are always in my toolbox to use because they're just my go-to and I love them. Okay, so another tool that I use in my hair toolbox is oils. These products that I use either together or I use them like separate depending on what kind of hair day I am having. So I use coconut oil, I use avocado oil, and I use almond oil, and I also use olive oil. I don't have that bottle with me, sorry, but those are the 4 oils that I use for my hair. And sometimes I may also put a little bit of tree oil in the bottle that I'm mixing. So I have a bottle that I use. I'll pour the oils in there and I'll mix it. If you guys want to see a video of like the recipe that I use, or how much I use, comment below and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to put that video up as well. But that oil I use, and I just mix it together, and I'll just squirt it into my hair, massage it into my roots, and get my ends. That I do maybe once, twice a week at the most, just because my hair I'm not going to say it's getting better at retaining moisture, but my hair, I find, doesn't need a lot of products in my hair. I don't need to like oil my hair every day or every other day. So once a week or twice a week is normally good for me to moisture my hair. So those are the oils. So another oil that I use is castor oil, and this is Jamaican black castor oil. And FYI, I use this sometimes also in the oil mix that I use. Not a lot, and it's not all the time, it's just sometimes. But I use this mostly for my edges because I'm like working currently trying to grow them back. And if you guys want to see a video of that, I'm more than welcome to put that up as well. But just from my edges, from wearing braids at a young age and wearing like, I use this on my edges. I'll put a little bit, massage it, and then go about my day or you know, go about my night with going to sleep or whatever. So yeah, so castor oil is another thing that's in my toolbox and that I have very handy in the house. Hey guys, so this is another hair tool that I use. This is my steamer, and I love her. I love her. I love her. I love her. This was probably like the best investment that I made with my natural hair journey. And I think it's just the best investment that I made with my hair in general. So I got this steamer from LCL Beauty. If you have not watched my first video, definitely check out the first video because she's featured in it with me just sitting under the steamer with a deep conditioner product that I've reviewed. I mostly use her for just deep conditioning with my hair. I use her about once a week with deep conditioning my hair, obviously. If you guys want to see a video on like me reviewing this product, definitely let me know, and I have no problems reviewing her. I don't have a hooded dryer. That's something that I want to experiment, so definitely let me know if you guys want to see like the comparison on a steamer and a hooded dryer. I can definitely do that video if you guys want to see that. And I may just do it in general because I at least want to see the results for myself. But getting back to this, she was one something when I used her. Let me just be frank. You don't have to buy a steamer to get the results that I use. I personally wanted to make the investment in my hair, but I've heard different things that you can just use a plastic shower cap and that gives you just about the same results as a hooded dryer or a steamer. But I definitely recommend, if you guys want to make that investment and see those results in your hair, then definitely make that investment. You don't have to go as fancy as this, but I think if your budget can do that, I definitely think try to make some of an investment in your hair. I think I've seen hooded dryers for like at least $50 or maybe $70. So that is something that you can do. Definitely try and do it. But if you can't, I know that you can do a plastic bag over your head, and you can get the same results just by that as well. But yes, she is a tool that I use. She's a tool that's in my toolbox, and I definitely love her, and she's definitely worth the money to me. I'll just say that. But I'll put their information below so you can check out their website, and definitely let me know what you guys think. All right. Hey guys, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any suggestions on what tools I should be using, definitely comment below and let me know. I would be more than happy to try them out and post a video on what I think. My toolbox is always growing. I'm always looking for new ideas or new toolbox or new tools to be trying, just because every tool isn't the same and everyone has different experiences on trying these tools. So I'm open to suggestions. Let me know what's in your toolbox of hair products and hair tools. I would love to hear that, because I'm always intrigued about what other people use for their hair and for their natural hair journey. And even if you're not natural, still let me know, because I'm always intrigued about what works for people and what doesn't. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting me so far and subscribing and liking and commenting. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, so if you guys can like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, that would be awesome. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and definitely enjoy this journey because it's definitely an awesome one. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next Friday. All right, bye.